Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how to see your muted account list on Instagram. You have muted one of your friends and you didn't remember it. You want to see the list, so be happy because I'm here to help you. Because in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to see that list of muted account. So just what you all have to do is like this video and hit the subscribe button down below because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. First of all, open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you get a muted account option. Tap on it. Here it will show all of your muted accounts which you have muted recently. Just simply tap on unmute in order to unmute. Just simply toggle off these options in order to unmute, like in this way, and just come back. So now you can see we have unmuted that particular account. So that's how you can easily see a list of your muted accounts on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on end screen.